Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll to find proper section security and privacy. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll and enter more security settings. Scroll down, and as you can see right here, we've got this credential storage section and the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. You will also have to confirm it with your screen lock if you've got one, so let's do it. And as you can see, we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.